Suckers rally? Buy the rumor, sell the news? Beginning of the bull run? Where do people think Bitcoin is currently? Is this purely a case of people buying the ETF speculation only to sell once it's announced? Is it a suckers rally in the face of a growing number of indicators that say we are staring in the face of a US and possibly global recession, or is this likely the start of the bull run? I'd be interested to hear views from chartists as to what levels are the big resistance and support prices and what we would need to see to really be confirmed in a longer-term uptrend. I appreciate we have been trending upwards for pretty much 12 months now since the low of $15,000 last November, but all around things look bleak still, even though many of the big tech companies are reporting bumper earnings. Should I be pessimistic or optimistic? I'm a long-term Bitcoin hodler, so I suppose I'll just watch it wink again or rise and probably do very little about any of it, but I'm interested in people's opinions as to where we are currently. $36,500 being the short answer. Hardest part for me has always been figuring when to take profits. Don't want to repeatedly take that ride down again. Still early, only crypto bros are excited. Everyone else is still quiet. As soon as someone without a clue asks me how to buy crypto, it's all over. Bull run doesn't start at ATH. It starts during a bear market all the way back up to ATH recovery and beyond. TLDR from 15K BTC to 60K and beyond. Doesn't matter as long as you aren't the sucker buying the peak price. I can recall last month's pump thanks to some fake news. It didn't took that long to recover 30K and started this trend. Tailing to a buddy. And we were saying it feels like 2019 all over again. A test bull for the big bull. But upon further reflection this time it feels more like 2016 going into 2017 and the madness that ensued. Either way, I keep stacking. Op just wants to hear what most of you think so he can reverse it. Genius. I bought at 69K per Bitcoin last 2021. You haven't seen shit yet, my friend. Lot of shilling going on in the daily all of a sudden. Makes me a little weary. Sucker rally or not, IMDCAING since 2021. This crazy uptrend from BTC 26K to 37K is almost life-changing money. I would be DCAING out. But I am not changing my plan. IDK. There has been a whole bunch of nothing happening for over a year. I doubt this is the new bull. But even bear market rallies can be dramatic. I don't know, I'm scared either way. Ta charts and all that bullcrap won't tell you a damn thing. It's all imaginary. What we do know is the halving is coming up and Bitcoin moves in 4-year cycles. History doesn't always repeat, but it sure does rhyme. I've been mostly lurking over the past couple years. And the general consensus that I've gotten from that is to not trust anything before the halving. I think it's a typical bear market rally. I think it can go up a bit more but will fizzle out and start dropping near the end of the year. Into early 2024. Then when the halvening hits, it's time for send-off. OFC, I'm just guessing like everyone else. But I don't think it's the start of the bullrun, no. Not yet at least. I'm personally guessing just above 40K. Maybe 45K at most would be the rally top. Just popped past 37K. FOMO intensifying. I don't know shit about fuck. However, Bitcoin follows the M2 money supply and that will continue to rise in the future. By the way guys, ETH ETF just got registered. That's why it pumped few min ago. More fuel for bulls. Not gonna lie. I've been staring at charts since the last bull run. And it never looked as good as they do these days. Markets pumping 80 overnight for the past few weeks is really strange. This gonna be big if you ask me. Imagine all the people who are not aware or don't invest. They will call it a scam next year when they invest and the pump is over. If you are in crypto right now, you aren't a sucker. All the suckers left in 2022 and early 2023. This is a proper rally. A lot of alts won't surpass their previous ATHs. Whole thing kind of makes no sense. But it's been expensive the entire FC King winter. We are now thawing out. Whatever it is, the next cycle is going to be FC King wild. IMG Avatar XB150948068 Bravo. What alt will pump next? Let us know when you find out. Bull run? I'm still down 40 tears of joy. Tears of joy. Gotta wait another decade before I get back my initial investment. In the meantime, I'm just gonna stake it away. Morpheus, he's beginning to believe. I'll be honest, I'm surprised it hasn't rejected yet. It's looking like it may kiss $40,000 before it rejects. I think we all need to see $35,000 as support for a few weeks for a confirmation. At least, for my investing strategy. I don't expect this run to last long, especially with concerns over the housing market and layoffs coming in 2024. I think there is still at least another year before we get even close to the previous ATH. But I am definitely happy to be proven wrong. Probably gearing up for the fall after Powell speaks today. It's a fake out. Bitcoin only goes up if the entire US economy goes up. It's a fake out. Bitcoin only goes up if the entire US economy goes up. Same shit started to happen in 1979. A year before the election. Gold, silver were safe haven assets back then. Real money. Gold, silver pumped as everyone was pulling out of the markets. That continued until Reagan got elected and put Paul Volcker as Fed chair. What if everyone is looking for safe haven assets now? And with the fall of fiat, Bitcoin is the best option. I think we have another dip coming. I'll be happy if we do because I'll load up some more ready for next year. I'm not a chartist, but I think BTC will hit 40K, then something will smack to cookies out of our mouths. Some crazy FUD. Not sure what. This seemed too good to be true. Everyone is super greedy. All projects are jumping. I think it will be a world war that tanks us. We will find a bottom. And then up from there. We are not supposed to hold new world assets. We are pawns. Rolling on the floor laughing. If it sounds like a short term, it walks like a short term holder. Bull run inside a winter. Expect up to 30 drawdown by Q1 24. Suckers. No, I don't believe it's a suckers rally. It's the beginning of institutional adoption. Could imagine a small pullback. But we might never see Bitcoin in the $20,000 region again after the ETF. But who am I to say? No one knows how he future. Hope you all filled your bags. Good luck. We have been in a bull run all year. Moons are dead, my man. No need to post this kind of thing anymore. Bull run doesn't begin until ATH is broken. Once it is, you can expect parabolic action like up 10-20 a day. 2 or more weeks ago I would have told you it's a pump and it's coming down. Which it might still yet, however. Today my confidence of that has reduced dramatically as it has definitely gone on longer than I anticipated. I think breaking and sustaining $40,000 for BTC is a major breakthrough for the alt market and for the sustained increase of BTC. Alts will lag BTC for 6 months or more. Sol could be the exception here. I stopped buying around a month ago in anticipation of the drop. Today I went in and bought some alts I think will do well.